Class, we're going to be solving another word problem. Question says, in a class of 40 students, each student offers at least one of physics and chemistry. If the number of students that offer physics is 3 times the number that offer both both subjects, and the number that offer chemistry is twice the number that offer physics, find the number of students that offer physics only. So our aim here is actually physics only. So in set, when you want to answer questions pertaining to set, first thing you need to do is to bring out the parameters that you are given. Okay, so we know that our universal set, the total number of students here is 40, right? 40 is the total number of students, and we're told that if the number of students that offer physics, right, physics P is 3 times number that offered both subjects. That means 3 times this. So it's 3 times those that offered the 2. Alright. Now said, and the number that offered chemistry, that means N to the C, that offered chemistry is twice the number that offered physics. Now find the number of students that offer physics only. Now this is how to write physics only. Physics only is this. C complement is what we need to get. Alright, so to do this one, we still need to bring in some particular formulas. And the formula for physics only here is, for physics only, it will be the number of physics people that offered physics minus anything that is intersecting with physics. That is P intersection C. This is what we want to work with. We want to work with this. Very, very important. Once we can be able to get our P intersection C, we are good to go. Alright, so to get that, we still need to do some things. Okay, now you remember this particular formula C, this particular formula here in set theory. I've mentioned that already in the video that I explained algebra of sets. Okay, this particular formula minus P intersection C. Alright, so for this formula, we can as well write this one as, the universal set minus empty set. Okay, can I as well write this as this? Okay, is equal to this plus NC minus P intersection C. Alright, so here let's clear off this part so we can have parameters intact. Alright, we already know that our universal set is 40, so our 40, right, this one does not exist, so we have 0. The number of P here is 3 times P intersection C. That's the number of P, so let's call it X. So we won't be writing this all the way. Let's call this X. Okay, so we'll be having 3x, right? We'll be having 3x plus the number of C is 2p. The number of C is 2p, and 2p will be 2. What is my P? My P is 3x. Can you see that now? My P is 3x from this particular place, and this is 2p. That's C minus P intersection C. My P intersection C is also X, right? So I can as well, my aim is just to get this particular one which is standing for X, so I can just substitute it for this whole formula. So I have 40 is equals to 3x plus 6x, okay, plus 6s minus x, plus 6s minus x. Okay, let me clear up this one so I can have some space, some minutes. Alright, so to do with this one, I can have 40 is equal to, this is 9, right? 9 minus 1, that's 8x. 8x. So if I divide both sides by 8, I'm going to be having 5. So x, which is also P intersection C, is 5. But that is not the final answer. We need to put it in this particular formula. So our final answer now, after we must have substituted, let me use this particular place. Okay. Our final answer now will be P, for P only, P intersection C complement is equals to number of P as given in the question is 3x, right? 3x minus, this one is x, right? X. Alright, so we have intersection of C complements, and that will be 2x, and we have already gotten our x, right, as 5. So P intersection C complement, which is still P only, will be 2 into bracket of 5, and that will give me my answer as 10. Okay, that will give me my answer as 10. Final answer then will be 10. So that's how to answer this question.